Baggu bags have become super trendy because of their simple rectangular shape, water-repellent material, and how lightweight they are. But let's be real, not everyone wants to spend that much on a bag, especially if you're still figuring out whether this style actually fits your lifestyle. I'm honestly glad I didn't give in to the trend right away because I found this. Hello, lovies! Today I'm happy to share with you the bowler bag trend, why it's everywhere again, and the Penshoppe Bowler Bag that I found as a budget-friendly alternative to the famous Baggu Bowler Bag. Bowler bags are inspired by the classic designs from the 1950s, originally made to carry actual bowling equipment. That's why they usually have a flat bottom, a curved top, and a structured rectangular shape. Fast forward to today, and they've evolved into these stylish, everyday handbags that are minimalist, practical, and surprisingly roomy. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you already know this about me. I'm a lightweight bag girlie. I really don't like bags that already feel heavy before you put anything inside. Because let's be honest, once you add your phone, your wallet, your keys, your makeup pouch, other essentials, your shoulders are going to suffer. I'm also petite, so heavy bags just don't work for my size. That's why nylon bags are such a lifesaver for me. Even though these bags look small, the rectangular shape allows them to fit so much, your daily essentials, and more without looking bulky. This Penshoppe Bowler Bag is honestly a great dupe-inspired option if you like the minimalist Baggu bowler bag aesthetic but want something more affordable. Now let's start unboxing. So this is the Penshoppe Bowler Bag in pink blush. And first of all, this color is so soft and feminine, very chic and wearable. It has a minimalist rectangular shape with no visible logo, which I personally love. It measures 11.8 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches. The bag is made of nylon with water-repellent properties, so it's easy to maintain and perfect for everyday use. One detail I really appreciated, it has two thin, long shoulder straps. The strap length is 14 inches, while the strap depth is 1.5 inches. And hidden along the straps are charm loops, perfect for this whole bag charm trend we're all loving right now. What's genius about these loops is that they actually hold your bag charms in place, so they don't slide around. Penshoppe even included a free bag charm, which is such a cute bonus. The bottom of the bag is a bit of a structure so it keeps its shape and doesn't collapse when you set it down. Moving on to the main compartment, it has two zipper pulls, which I love because you can close them together. For added security, you may place a lock or join them together if you'd like. Another thing I really like is that the bag opens all the way to the sides. But they added this gusset-like material so your things don't fall out when you open it wide. This is such a small detail but very thoughtful. The interior lining matches the exterior color, which makes everything look clean and cohesive. Inside, you'll find pockets. On one side is a slip pocket, and then on the other side is a zip pocket, some organization for things you wanted to hide inside your bag. Overall, this is a minimalist shoulder bag that's simple, versatile, lightweight, and functional. Now I totally understand why this style became and stayed viral. And honestly, this Penshoppe Bowler Bag is such a great option if you want to test out the bowler bag trend before splurging on a more expensive option like the Baggu Bowler Bag. Just a friendly advice, try the style first, see how it fits your routine. A bag should support your lifestyle, not just look cute on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like. It really helps my channel. Please let me know in the comment section, are you into the bowler bag trend as well? Or are you still deciding? I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please always remember to thank God for these beautiful blessings.